Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to draw a line in FreeCAD. So if you want to do it, first you need to create an empty file and you need to check if you are on part design mode. It is very important. So after that you need to click on create body and then you need to click on create sketch option. Now you need to select XY plane and you need to click OK button. Then you need to click on this one option. It will let you to create a line in the sketch. So I click on it. And then I draw the line from this one point to this one point. And if I would like to draw another line, I need to click on this one point and I need to draw something from this one point to this one point. And maybe I click on this one point again and I draw the last line to this one point. So in this way you can draw the lines. But if you would like to display dimensions for it, you need to click escape button. You need to click right mouse button on the line and then you need to select dimension. And it will be visible here. We can click somewhere here and we can modify the length of this line, for example 45, and I press OK button to insert it. So it is how it works. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solved the problem.